Round 2 with the Anvil.
Round 3.
Wait, how many times have you cooked with this Anvil?
2 times already.
We have?
Yeah, the steak and
Salmon?
the salmon.
Oh, okay.
This is round 3. Like a boxing, round 3. Okay.
Round 3, go stand over there, let me put some fuel.
Okay,
We'll
go.
have a round 4. Just fatty steak. I can't believe we're doing this. It's 100 already degrees in California, and we're making fire. We have lost our minds, right?
Let me cover my, because.
Where's your sombrero, Garo? you don't have a sombrero?
Yeah, it's over there.
Here.
Let me see. Oh.
Tomahawk steak. This thing costed $60.82. It's about 17 pounds.
17 pounds?
Yeah. Ribeye tomahawk.
I'm going to eat a lot of meat. 17 pounds?
Yeah, that's a lot of poundage. This one is a little bit thicker than the other ones I've gotten before.
Oh,
I wonder how long it's going to take to cook on this thing.
Look at this beauty. Okay.
It'll be a bigger beauty when you take it out of there.
Yes. Guys. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's go.
We have a shooting channel and we shot this with a 20mm.
Hey,
can you zoom in on the bullet in there? It's stuck in there. Right there. There's a bullet stuck in this Anvil. It's a 20mm round. I'll let you do the research on your own. Okay, let's see if this thing will sizzle. Okay, it's not evaporating too quick. It's almost there. Oh, this is really big compared to the other ones.
Yes.
This is the most manly thing, as I was saying, and flies are gonna come. You got a tomahawk steak plus cooking it on Anvil. It can't get any more beauty than that.
Yes. Ready to go.
Ready to rumble.
Look at this. Look at this thing. Salt.
Cabrón, I don't think you put enough. I'm gonna close my mouth.
No, yeah, come on.
No, I'm not gonna say anything.
Hey, you wanna tape again?
No.
No.
Hey, don't forget the sides. This is really thick. You can put it on the, like, just rub it on the board. Oh, look at that beauty. God, this is big. Let me take another picture this way. Anvil test number 2. No, still not super hot.
Don't worry, cabron. We put everything down.
Okay, if you say so. Well, make sure there's not flies on. Put that plastic back on. You're gonna have a fly. That's a huge steak. Wow. Oh. Now it's sizzling.
Now we're talking about business.
There you go. Now we're ready. And that's how you test the surface of your iron?
No, another test like this. 280 degrees. We have to wait a little bit. Ah, cabrón. Like a thermometer.
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 I need, what do I do with that stick? We need something. What do you mean?
Wherever. You just dream and I can make this thing true.
Make it a reality?
Yeah. Cabrón, don't worry.
Do you think it's ready to put it on?
Probably yes. Let me see.
But look, the fire is coming all the way to the top. It's gonna burn.
300 degrees now.
We just want to cook it with the heat, not the flames.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay, but don't burn yourself, cabrón.
No, don't worry, cabrón. This is not hard.
Oh, you're gonna burn yourself now. Oh, okay. Cabrón, why are you so...
Okay.
Cabrón, you're gonna need new shoes.
No, well, cabrón. That's why
it's my responsibility.
That's why I make videos with you, cabrón. You have to buy me. Cabrón, what do you expect?
Now I have to buy you new shoes.
Yeah, cabrón, for sure. Now you have to buy me new shoes.
Oh man.
Look at this beauty. Ready, Freddy? Watch. You hear that? That's the sound of the beauty. This is the beauty sound. Oh my God. Put pepper on the side, right? More pepper now. Look at this beauty,
I can
carajo.
have the privilege of doing this part.
Yes.
Because I really enjoy grinding some salt on top. Get out of there. This is the best part.
Look at this beauty.
So we just stand here and look at it at this point.
Yes. I know where the cookies are. Don't worry, cabrón.
Cabron, we always say that and then we cut it and then we waste it because we don't want to cut it.
No, don't worry,
Do we know
cabrón.
it needs to be like in like 160 degrees or something, right? Inside?
Don't worry.
Okay. We'll take his word. Cabron, this is thick. How are we gonna know if it's cooked inside or not?
I know.
That's it. We just stand here.
Yeah, we'll have to wait.
What did you think? We were gonna give you guys some jokes? There's nothing to it.
Cabrón, what is stay over there? It's 100 something degrees, so it's really hot. No good. I like this thing when they cook slow, like this. Look at this beauty. They release all the grease. Perfect. Perfecto. My God.
This is where all the fat and
Oh my
juices.
God. Okay. Ay, cabrón, here is super hot. Let's go here. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Is it going up?
No, goes down.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Oh, that means it's cold
it's
inside.
cold inside. Yeah, it's
What the heck?
70 degrees inside.
Oh, it's not even cooked.
No, it's not cooked. Cabrón, here's super hot.
Ah!
Yeah, same thing. 70.
Yeah, it's not cooked. It's hotter outside from the sun than it is inside that steak right now. Okay, that's not ready yet.
One more time. Okay. Little bit more.
You know, you do the honor of pepper. Because you're a spicy kind of guy.
Hey, you put the thermometer on your truck, and this thing goes for 120.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, to give this steak a nice little flavor of nuts and walnuts, right there, we're gonna crush some of these. This is super important process.
Ay, cabrón.
And then we'll just put it in the fire. We'll give it that nice, what is it called? The smell.
You know the taste. The taste.
No, there's the word I'm looking for. What is that word?
Aromatic.
Yeah, but something close to it. Aromatic. No, is that a word? No, what is it called? Foreigner issues. Okay. Anyway, we'll dump some of these in there. It's not gonna do anything. I was just kidding.
Let me see. Oh my God! You see this color? Look how perfect is this thing. Oh my God! More salt, a little bit more. Look, it's down. You see? 80. Now it's 80 degrees inside. But this is the beauty of the life. Cook and eat. Look at this beauty.
Okay, it would have been better if there was no sun, if the weather was a little cooler. You had some lawn chairs here. We would sit around with some cervezas, some beer.
Yes, you're right.
That would have been the beauty of the life. Not this. It's 100 degrees. Like,
we can wait December and do this thing. Don't worry.
okay,
Okay,
we'll come back
in December.
Let's go. Okay. 120. We still 110.
110, yeah.
So we still got another like 50.
No,
Yeah.
we have to go to 120 max.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me Google it real quick.
Google a little bit.
Let me
Google it.
Google it. Maybe I'm wrong. Why am I thinking 160?
I don't know, but it's 120. 115. Come on, you talk with professionals already.
Let's see if you are right. Medium, rare, 130 for rare, 145 for medium rare, medium 160, well done 170. So we need to go medium rare, I think, 145. Okay, so we'll put it back. We'll be back in October.
No, cabrón. We come back in October. Ay, cabrón. You made me laugh.
Yeah, 145 for medium rare.
Perfect, 140.
Okay, let's go. It's done. We accomplished something finally in our life. This is the first time we're using this and not cutting it and to see what's the inside.
But you see how juicy is this thing?
Yeah.
10 more minutes.
No, let's go.
Cabrón, give
I'm
it.
hungry.
I know, me
I've
too.
been waiting for an hour.
Oh, look at this beauty here. This area. Oh my God. Let me see. Here, from here. Let me show you guys. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Perfect.
Perfecto.
Perfection. Oh.
Aaron, you want to come back November or December?
No, right now. Let's go, people. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It smells good, right?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Oh,
Ay,
papa.
Look at this beauty. Oh. You see the juice? You see the juice? Oh my God, look at this beauty. Watch. Ay.
It's perfect.
Perfecto. The only thing is the flies. Look at this beauty.
Don't let the flies eat.
Oh my God. Oh, Poochies. Oh, Poochies is here somewhere.
Somehow the flies increased. I don't know. Is it because of the meat?
Yeah, cabrón.
Okay, let me eat that with the phone. Oh, no.
Oh,
Leave it like that. Let me see.
Ay, cabrón. Good.
Ah, hot. Mmm. Oh my God.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Ay, cabrón.
Mmm.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
Moment of the truth.
No, the moment of the truth is here.
Oh, cabrón. What? Oh, here.
Okay, I'll eat this, continue eating this later.
Mmm.
Man,
Mmm.
the flies are really... Salud. We didn't do salud.
Saludo. Wait. Saludo. Mmm. Mmm, my God.
Wow.
Mmm. Mmm.
No way. Oh, you like it well done?
For you, hurry. Hold on. Cámara, girl.
Mmm.
Cabrón. This is perfect. Look at this beauty.
Zoom in.
Mmm. Oh my God, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this thing. Poochies. Welcome, Poochies.
Wow.
Hi, Poochies.
This is
Delicious.
delicious and perfectly cooked.
Yes.
I think from now on we're gonna use the thermometer on the inside.
No, cabrón. Mmm.
Mmm. Gordon Ramsay has nothing on us. Right?
Yeah.
Mmm.
This thing is extremely delicious.
Super tender.
And juicy. Poochies. We got something special for you.
This is hotter than tea.
The last time we give to Rigo.
Oh, Rigo, I missed Rigo. He would have loved that bone.
Now I give you the honor, but it's too big for you.
Too hot.
Ay, cabrón. Sorry,
Oh,
Pochis.
there goes that.
Here. Pochis, I put this thing here for you. Okay, Pochis? It's good. Hey, the flavor for the walnuts.
Yeah, the walnut flavor in there, it made a big difference.
Yeah. Not really.
Yeah.
Cabron, really. When you
Oh, you're talking about the wood, yeah.
yeah, it's a walnut wood.
I thought you were talking about when I put those walnuts in there.
Oh no. Oh God.
Cherry wood, almond wood, walnut. The best wood to barbecue with. And this one is more tender, more juicy. This thing
my
is so
God,
hot.
this
You need
is
like
delicious.
a cold Coca-Cola would have hit the spot.
Don't say that.
Nice
Coca-Cola.
bottle, glass bottle one, the Mexican
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
No. Fuji.
Okay. I can't think of anything else. Sorry that you guys were not here to eat this with us, but Just Perry ate for all of us.
Somebody have to sacrifice herself, and that's my job.
Himself.
Yeah.
And that's Just Perito's responsibility to sacrifice on our behalf, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
And Pucci,
Steak is gone.
Look, he's an excellent catch. Watch. Ay, cabrón. Pucci, why you look at that?
And that's it after an hour and a half, right?
Yes, I want to
We
have.
started on like 11:30.
Yeah, take forever.
It's almost 1.
But it's delicious.
It's delicious. It was worth the wait.
Yes.
Honestly, it was actually better than all the other ones. No
Yeah,
joke.
yeah.
Maybe even all the other steaks we've cooked.
Yeah.
Super tender.
It's super delicious.
And it cooked really slow. Cooked slowly but surely.
Yes.
That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe.
And as always,
Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. This thing is gonna stay hot for the next 10 hours or more. Okay, that's it. Bye.